what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today, of course, you know, we have a new dance tutorial. The title of the song is Lights Out by Chris Brown, featuring, if I'm not wrong, Tyga. Alright, let's start. Alright guys, let's start. This is super sexy. I mean, slow. Alright, so we're gonna face to your left. Yeah, left is the door. So we're gonna use your hips 3 times. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. Then up on 6, drop on 7, and 8. Alright, while doing the hips, you're gonna go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay? For the last time. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. One more time. 5, 6. By the way, when you do this, all your weight is on your left. So that means you can still balance if you lift your right. Alright? 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, do 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, dip. On the second 8, let's continue. So 7, 8. You're gonna go step your right, left to the back, right to the front. Alright, the shoulder up. It goes like this. 7, 8. Go 1, shoulder to your right. 1 and 2. Stay 3, 4. One more time. 7, 8. Go 1 and 2, 3, 4. Alright? For the last time. 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2, 3, 4. Then you're gonna point your toes, pointing to your right. This is 5, 6. Wait, 6. You know we're recording. 6. Then you're gonna go dip 7, drop on 8. 8. One more time. One more time. You go 7, 8, and go shoulder 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go 7, drop on 8. Roger that? Let's try first and second. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait. By the way, from here, 5, 6. Change weight. 7, drop on 8. Alright? Alright guys, next from here, 7, 6, 6, 7, and 8. So from here, you're gonna go open your legs. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 2 isolation hips. 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't forget that up. Alright, that means you're gonna need to open your mouth. Alright? Let's try again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Alright guys, next. Next. So we end up on here. Wait a minute. 7, 8. The simple walk on 1, 2, 3, 4.5, 6, 7, 8. Like watch me. Something like that. So it goes like this. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. From here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your hand, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roger that? Let's combine from the beginning. Let's try. So 5, 6, 7, hip. 1, 2, 3, 3. Again, sorry. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Yes. Good job. Alright, this one you're gonna go up super slow. 4 counts. 1, 2, 3. 3 counts. 7 and 1, 2, 3. Jump 4. Alright. Next from here you're gonna go 5, 6, down on 7. Your head follow your hips. 7 and 8. Okay? But you're gonna need to go lower. Then open your legs. Like that. Alright, it's a little bit tiring. But don't worry, it's quick. So 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3. Jump 4. Go 5, 6 and 7, 8. Alright? Let's try. Combine from here. So 5, 6, 7 and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. Next. Oh, by the way, from this one, so you're gonna go up 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6. Look on 7. On 8, you're gonna raise your right knee. 8. Alright? One more time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Next, you're gonna make a big circle. 1, 2, sit. 7, 7, 8. Go 1, 2. Alright? Then 3 and one more time. 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3 and 3 and then 4. One more time. And we do slowly, right? So from here, 6, 7 and go 1, 2. Shoulder. You're gonna show your right shoulder to the front. 3 and 4. Then you're gonna go slow down. 3 and 4, then 5, 6, 7. Alright, then drop on 8. Sorry, this is the only drop we have. Don't worry. So one more time. So from here, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you're gonna go down on 5, 6, 7, drop on 8. Yes. So make sure your left is like this, out. 7, 8. Can you see? 7, 8. Okay? Let's try. Let's combine. From walk, 5, 2, 3, ta da ta. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes. 5, 6, 7. Sit on 8. Alright? Then change. Next, you just change to the back. 1, 2, up. This time, touch your left knee. 1, 2, go up on 3, 4, 5, 6. Jump on 7. Arch back on 8. And back. Alright. For the arch back, you're gonna need to look at the mirror. You need to see yourself. 7, 8. And back. For the last time. Let's clarify. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4. This one straight. 5, 6, 7. Drop on 8. 1, 2. Touch your left knee. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump on 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. That's it. Let's try from the beginning. All of it. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hop. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and change. 1, up, 3, 4, 5, arch. 8. Yeah, good job. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that simple choreography that we made today. Of course, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment on our videos. Alright? We'll see you in our next video. Bye bye. Happy New Year.